Today's the day. I'm here at Renuva's Elite Injector, Lori Robertson's office.
Hi, I'm Lori Robertson, nurse practitioner, and
I'm so glad to meet
you're
you.
going to be my patient today.
I feel like I'm in good hands.
Thank you for coming. Come on back, we'll get you situated.
Super. Thank you so much.
Great. So I'm going to use a needle approach and just barely go in the surface of the skin and go ahead and inject the Renuva. And this is all going to smooth out beautifully in a moment. Now, I am going to massage this. And I'm just going to massage it and spread it where I need it to go. Okay, so what is that?
You know, it wasn't bad at all. I didn't feel anything.
One thing that's wonderful about Renuva is that the actual Renuva I'm putting in here completely goes away.
Oh.
It's completely broken down and absorbed, and it's replaced by your own fat.
That's how I found Renuva, because I wanted it to be natural. And again, I haven't done much on myself at all, except just a little Botox. And so I don't want anything to look fake. I really don't want some big thing like, wow, you look, 25. No, I'm not after that. But what I learned was that Renuva just softens it. And using my own fat,
Yes.
that just made so much sense to me. I've only done one hand, but look, this is amazing. This is something else. I am so excited. Thank you so much, Laura. You made that so easy. 2 hands done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm going to release you to Mr. Handsome.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. They look awesome.
I know, they look awesome. Bye, Lori. Thank you so much.